Are we introducing ourselves first?
Yeah.
Mbote na batini ensemble.
Kumbonanga Lydie.
Kumbonanga Deborah. So today we're going to be playing a game called Lelo na Lie. Because you know, we love to lia.
All the time. Yum, yum.
So we're going to be given 10 seconds on the clock. There's going to be a word that will be given to us in English or French. And we have to guess the name of the food in Lingala. So let's get started.
Lipa na manteca.
What?
Lelo na lie lipa na manteca. Bread and butter. Piece of bread.
I just saw this.
Lelo na lie manga.
Wow. Can you let me answer?
Manga. Bana kin bolo baga manga.
Lelo na lie mbembe
Lelo na lie musuni ya ngombe.
I hate you so much.
Remember, is that musuni?
Musuni ya PORC. Lelo na lie musuni ya musuni ya ngumbe ngomba ngu.
Lelo na lie musuni ya ngulu.
What? No, I don't remember learning that. Ngai, ndongo. I'm naming all the foods I know.
Nakin balobaka onion ou bien ndembi. No, ndembi is green
chives.
onions, exactly.
Chives. Lelo na lie.
Onion.
Lelo na lie mai misu.
No.
Mai ya misu.
No.
Because it makes you cry.
Litungulu.
Oh my god. Lydie Boyete.
Edit this part. Matungulu.
Right, matungulu.
Kendo somelanga matungulu. Franchement, tokanisa ki toyebi quelques mots, mais toyebi, right? Toyebi. Toziba monyo, c'est juste matungulu. Mais bon, bref.
So that was it for the game. C'était vraiment un plaisir. J'ai vraiment, je me suis
épanouie.
C'est ça. Oui.
Voilà.
So thank you so much, Yekola, for having us in this game. Make sure to follow Yekola on all social networks at Yekola Lingala to find out more and to get more content because it's Yekola.
S'abonnez-vous na Instagram, na
Twitter,
na YouTube, na Twitter.
C'est ça.
Perfect. Thank you. All right.